difference.
Hey, what's up everyone, my name is Maximus Arana and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to get your hair from curly, unmanageable, filled with knots to smooth, luscious and beautiful. So for this video I didn't wash my hair for 7 days so that I could achieve that curly, unmanageable, naughty and dirty hair look, and I could exactly show you how to get it back from there to it's smooth, silky and luscious hair. So if that sounds interesting, let's jump right into this. So I haven't washed my hair for 7 days just to make this video to explain to you guys how to detangle tangled, messy, wavy, horrible, unclean, dirty hair. So I'm just going to show you the entire detangling process. Very few cuts in between. The video is going to be a bit long because I'll explain the entire process. So here's what I'm doing. My hair is dry and I'm trying to do 90% of the detangling part now, because if you detangle when your hair is wet, you're going to have a lot of breakages because your hair is very fragile when it is wet. So it's better to do 90 to 95% of the detangling part when your hair is dry, and the rest 5% when your hair is oiled and conditioned. So I've detangled most part of my hair. Now it's time to hop in the shower and wet my hair to get into the shampooing process. So now my hair is wet. I'm gonna apply a coconut milk shampoo throughout my hair length. Now I'm nicely applying shampoo throughout my hair, and if I find any part of my hair that is tangled, I'll gently detangle it. Remember, when your hair is dry, go super gentle. I mean, when your hair is wet, go super gentle, and when your hair is dry, don't go too gentle that you're unable to detangle your hair, and don't go too harsh that you may cause breakages to your hair. The right spot right in the middle. So now I'm detangling my hair, my wet hair, very gently. When you're dealing with wet hair, always deal with care. Now I'm done. I'm towel drying my hair gently. Remember, do not go crazy with the towel drying process. Just go super gentle, and I'm just gently trying to detangle the back of my hair. If you can see, detangling the front part of your hair, the fringe, is pretty easy. But the backside is a complete pain in the, oh my god, PG-13, I can't say the word, it's a pain in the ass. Okay, just say it. So now I'm just detangling my hair. I don't know what to say during this voiceover because it's pretty long and it's uncut. So now I'm applying hair mask throughout my hair length. Remember, always when you're dealing with detangling your hair, detangling your tangled hair, your best friends are hair masks, conditioners and hair oils. Always when you're in the detangling process, these three products help a lot to make detangling easier: hair masks, conditioners and hair oils. So here I am detangling my hair with this hair mask with the help of it. It will leave my hair soft and supple. If you're wondering what hair mask is this, it's a coconut milk hair mask. See, I really love coconut milk, but I hate coconut oil. Coconut oil is horrible, trust me. Coconut milk is amazing. Start using coconut milk. So this is a coconut milk hair mask from Wow. It's not sponsored. So just nicely getting the hair mask throughout my hair. I mean, I don't know what to say during this voiceover, it's just pretty long. Okay, now my hair is washed off. I kept the hair mask for 15 to 20 minutes, 20 minutes to be exact, and as you can see, my hair is pretty good right now. It's time to oil my hair, and look, my hair looks awesome. So now I'm oiling my hair, just nicely heating it up in my palms, and yeah, just working my way through throughout the entire head of my hair. I don't know, it's just such a long voiceover. I've never done such a long voiceover before. Wait, I've done in my picture editing videos, so yeah. But I don't know what to say. I'm just showing you the entire process. I just can't keep blabbering all the time. So yeah. Now I'm slowly trying to detangle if I find any detangled parts, but there are no detangled strands in my hair right now. Everything was done when the hair mask was put on, so yeah. Now, just with the high flex vented brush by Denman, I'm gonna slick my hair behind, and yeah, slick back hairstyle is the way to go. I mean, you know my hair oil technique. I keep my hair slicked back and then I wait for it to dry out, air dry, and then the end result is amazing. It is impeccable. Just love it. So here's my hair completely slicked back, looking super neat, super classy, super sexy. And yeah, my hair's dried out and look how beautiful it is looking. In the starting of the video I was an entire mess, but now just look at my hair. God, it's as smooth as silk. So beautiful. I mean, it's a complete art. And just look at my hair, dude. I told you, my hair is not looking tangled at all now. Completely detangled, soft, supple, silky, just like my hair is always like that. And yeah, see, I made such a huge sacrifice. Didn't wash my hair for 7 days just to make this video, and now I've finally washed my hair. My hair feels soft. It's just a feeling as if I'm in heaven. Like, it's amazing. So there you see, super beautiful, super sexy, super smooth, and luscious hair. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, turn the notifications bell on, and follow me on Instagram, which is @maximus_Orana. And the topic of discussion for today's video is, how long have you been without washing your hair? Like, tell me your record. My record is 7 days because I did it for a video just for you guys to like explain how to get it from there to here. So I had to make the sacrifice for a video, and my record is 7 days. What about you? Let me know down in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
So I leave it all behind. Don't wanna live a life